Hi everyone, Archana here. This is the sneaker peek of my Mother's Day project, and I'm just going to show you all this cover page only. I will reveal inside while I'm giving you a tutorial. I'm posting my tutorial video very soon after my retreat is done on Monday. So Tuesday hopefully my tutorial is done too, so stay tuned for that. But this is my Mother's Day folio, and I couldn't think of any other collection for this project than Pian Designs Where the Roses Grow, I think. So this is the collection, and it's stunning, and it's really meant for mother, I think, any lady project. So it could be mom, sister, daughter, anybody. And you can see this beautiful cover page. And speaking of Mother's Day, my daughter called. Anyway, so I'm showing you each and every step how we are going to create this front layering and everything. So this tutorial will be totally beautiful inside and out, so pretty. So I'm just giving you a quick sneak peek. So thank you so much for stopping by. Bye for now.